E to A. Here we go. 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, go. Up here, back to E. Okay, now your third finger is going to be at that 7th fret. Up to the 7th fret. See that? We can do this again. It's okay to watch the first time to learn what you're doing and then repeat it, knowing what to expect. My third finger is on the 2nd fret of the 5th string or the A string, then it moves up to the 7th fret. I love this. This sounds great. Can you write a song around this? Yes, you can. It's beautiful. Would you like to use whole notes? We're using whole notes now. Or you can use 8th notes. Beautiful. Or 16th notes. Because you know them now, right? Here we go. Let's land it. And yeah.